Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to expand and collapse your slicer view. This helps if you have a large dataset and multiple selections to choose from. Let's get started. Starting from our dashboard, we'll click on Fund Master. Then, we'll click the arrow here to navigate to it. On the left, we can see our small slicer window. To expand this window, we'll click on Expand Fund Center here. Now, we'll be able to see our options for Fund Center in a bigger view. If we would like to collapse or go back to our other slicers, we'll click here. If you prefer the small slicer window and still want to see all of your options, select Expand All to reveal all funds from lower level categories. To go back, simply click on Collapse All. Additionally, if you make a selection and want to easily remove it, click Clear. This will remove all your selections from that specific slicer in real time. And that's how you would expand and collapse slicers in Power BI dashboards. We hope this helps you to better view and utilize your data more efficiently. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.